How to use Shopify promo codes to save money on subscriptions. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Shopify and how you can buy a subscription and save money. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, the links will be in the description below for the website. You can go ahead and sign up using that link as well. You'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and Shopify is a pretty cool website. A lot of people are using it to create their own stores, selling their own products, drop shipping, print on demand type of websites. It's an all type of website. You can pretty much do anything. Almost 80%, if not 70% of the websites that you see online, some form of ad or some form of, promotion, they're mainly going to be made on Shopify. It's just that easy and it's just that good. So make sure you check that out. And currently, Shopify has an ongoing plan going on where you can just simply go ahead and purchase the plan for $1. So for $1, it's going to be 3 months, right? 3 months will get you $1, so that's a total of $3. And $3 you can set up your store, start selling if you have an audience, and it's pretty cool. All right, now the main difference in these plans is, well, of course, the price, but other than that, the main difference is going to be the card rates. All right, so here they're going to charge you 2% for third-party payment providers. So if there are third-party payments, then they're going to charge you 2%. All right, then with the Grow one, it's going to be 1%. Then for the advanced, it's going to be 0.6%. And for the plus, it's going to be competitive rates for high volume merchants. All right. Now, these might not sound a lot, but if you have, let's say, this plan right here, and you're making about $1 million, then, 2%, that's going to be like $20,000. All right. So here there we go. $20,000 just for, third party payments, not to mention all the other fees that might pop up. So keep that in mind. So sometimes, if it's worth it, it's worth it. If not, you can go ahead and stick with whichever plan you want. But you can see right here, if you go ahead and just pay, let's say $300 per month, right? Instead of 2%, let's go with 0.6, right? 0.6%. And that's going to be like $6,000, right? You're going to save like $14,000, right? Which is pretty cool just for third-party payments. So keep that in mind. But yeah, you can go ahead and click on try for free over here, select whichever plan you want, and basically sign up over here using one of the socials or your own email address. And once you're logged in, you should be good to go. And of course, make sure you check the link in the description below. If you click on that link, it'll give you some discounts that you can easily go ahead and apply and save even more money. So keep that in mind. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.